Hello, greetings to you all, and we are glad to have you back on this space just like always. And today, guys, we are live at the Solution Market Ekwulobia and also Solution Park Ekwulobia. Yes, this is one of the most beautiful parks and the beautiful public markets in Anambra State as of today. You need to go inside this facility and see the wonderful work that the contractors actually did. I'm so impressed with what I saw already, and I must tell you the way it is. The Anambra State government, talking about the Soludo's administration, has proven to really have the people at heart. And to crown it all up, this market we are seeing is given out freely to these traders. You know, all of those traders who normally trade under umbrellas around the Ekwulobia flyover areas, all of them are going to be moved to these markets in a very short time. And as I'm talking to you, this market has already been completed. The park is also being completed, and everywhere is just glowing and looking so beautiful and unique. And of course, you know, before now, motor parks and public markets are always one of the dirtiest locations you would see around the society or our environment. But Soludo is totally changing that narrative, and right now we are having a very standardized market and a very beautiful motor park in the state. For the first time, we are having such a facility being developed by the state government in the state, and this is quite impressive and also quite recommendable. We need to go around this market and see what it looks like. As you can see already, it is fully interlocked, and also if you get to the motor park, it's also fully interlocked, and there are trees and flowers planted all around this facility. And it also have a water supply that supplies water to all of this facility, both the motor park and the market itself. Come with me as we explore this market, and also let me hear your views, let me hear your thoughts, let me hear your commendations, let me hear your ideas, whatever it is you would love to share with us about this market and the motor park. Please do well to share with us on the comment section so that we all will be on the same page together. And if there are things you know about this project that we don't know about them, kindly do well to share with us on the comment section. Enjoy the rest of the video. I will see you at the end of this video.
Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now that's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend, be myself and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me myself and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. never seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave, miss. I said that dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now shorty grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance, don't worry about it, we just one step. Now with the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. That you got my attention, you're making me want to say oh. Are you trying to leave? How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say oh. Are you trying to leave? How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby. It's so romantic, baby. I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You're tryna leave. Oh. I said dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Hope you can understand. Y'all can leave your hands like this. Y'all can make it bounce like this. She want to, man.
Listen, wait me, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you take it 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. When you bite it, can't just keep talking about it. We've been too turn me round. Treat me like a watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet.